Hello guys, this is cosplay. Yeah, because stuff. Oh, and luckily we reclaim our homeland. The T-spawn. This is C-Ops. Yay. Whee! Fuck the... I got... A... A... This is our homeland, yes. And I'll show you the best glitch ever. Wow. Oh no.
Oh yes.
Wait. And go.
Okay.
Whoa, yeah. This is the best glitch ever. You can stay up here while shooting. But of course your aim won't be well. Then after you can glide back over here and hop on down later. Oh, glide on over. Woo! Oh god. I died. I'm joined by I think Necro Phoenix, right? Necro Phoenix? Yeah. Go subscribe to him. Subscribe to him, I guess. I'm not supposed to be making shoutouts, but he's my friend.
I claimed back
I'm
the
bad.
before I got killed.
Screaming I'm bad isn't gonna help with me if anything. Okay, that's where the cheese circle is. I'm stupid. Best way. Okay. That round ended in fear. Okay, starting a round. Let's go.
MP7 now.
TTYL. I'll make sure when we get to our home base, I'll let you get on the footage.
I can hold me.
Guys, I actually meant GTG, but sorry. Also, what I mean by homeland is T-spawn in C-Ops in bearu, cause that's the best place to be. My next home in bearu will be the vents. I have made a song here before. Shut up, you don't know me. It seems that I cannot get back to my homeland. I'll let you in on some of the footage here then. Of me trying to take back my homeland. Yeah. This is boring.
Look at me! Oh!
Let me tell you a story.
Oh!
What?
I stood next to a CT dude for like what, 10 seconds and killed him.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, he didn't even notice.
Yes, our homeland. I have finally returned. All I wanted, oh my god. All I wanted to do was this.
Oh, yeah.
If I can even get on the damn thing. All I wanted to do was this. And now, Necro Phoenix, where are you?
Yeah, bruh.
Go do it. Are you on top there? No, go do the glitch. Go do the glitch while I defend you. Go do the hovering thing.
Shit, alright. You said you defend me. Lie.
Yeah, but you have to look for the right moment as well. I wasn't out in the battlefield trying to defend you. Okay, we're on. Okay, he's back, everybody. He's back.
Yeah.
Just gotta do it while I defend him. No, do the glitch. Do the glitch.
Okay. I just need to use my
Come on.
skill.
Are you freaking serious? Are you freaking serious? I have a U ratio right now. Are you freaking?
Oh, I'm floating.
Bruh, I'm not dead. I'm deaf. I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm all the okay. This is frustrating. Ouch.
Oh, I died.
I think maybe I can so we just lost our homeland.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys in a bit once we reclaim our homeland. Okay, oh Nelly. Necro Phoenix, come on. Come on, get over here. Oh, never mind. I'm guessing we have to cut off the video again. I think. Maybe. No, I have Come on, come on, come on. You can get the T. You can get the T spawn. Where you at? Oh god.
By a headshot.
How? How?
Sorry, headshot me.
Oh. Guys, sorry. We have to cut out the video again. But that was stupid. I'm sorry we can't have funny moments right now. So, okay guys, sorry for all the apologies however. But we finally done it. Oh god, how I did, oh god.
Oh!
But finally, you get to witness the flying phoenix.
Whoa!
Oh,
Whoa.
he can go backwards apparently.
Yeah! Woo. Woo.
That was so stupidly stupid. Indo lol. Oh yeah, I forgot the name of this room was that. Hashtag Indo lol. Well, that was one thing. Also, if anyone wants tricks and tips, there's a snipe that you can snipe from here. Here's a sniper spot. Here's another sniper spot. This is in deathmatch, by the way. Here's another sniper spot. You can snipe down here in the CTO, right over here, by these magazines and what's that? All the way here. Like, you know, every time you spawn at bearu, so in CT, you look up over here. That's where you snipe. I'll show you more sniper spots next time. This, I don't know if you can even consider yourself. What the heck? Oh, something funny. She's hit. That's really funny though. Oh, what the? You are dead. Lol. Ouch. He died in front. Oh. He died in front of me, lol. Yay. Anyone out there who even watches this video, I'm glad you watched it. I'm just really glad you watched it. If anyone watched this video, like for that epic kills. Not really, because I didn't really kill that much. Anyway, on to the next glitch. See, if you keep tapping here like that, you get the timing right. Well, there's a high point on these hand scanners, which you can just oh my god, stop blocking me. Which you can just jump on it and jump onto the thing. I don't know what that thing is called. Metal detector, yeah. There, like that, see? Wait, Necro Phoenix. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
I thought that was somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, like me and Necro Phoenix here. We know how to do this. Basically, you can see all my hand movements right now. Finger movements. Basically, what you wanna do, rush to the hand printer thing, and keep tapping jump. That's all you wanna do. And if you get lucky, you'll get on top of it. Oh god.
I got 2 kills.
Oh Nelly. Oh. Stop blocking. You deserve to die. Well then. Great. Tell you when the next funny moment is here. Stupid sniper. Okay, guys. Whoever's watching. So, I've reclaimed my base again. My base of operations. And if anyone wants to know tips and tricks hide behind here, and you can actually have a good
Oh,
spot.
pistol
Look,
headshot
see,
kill.
no one saw me there. No one saw me there. So this is a good hiding spot, hiding behind the plant. See, he doesn't see me at all. Yeah, great A stealth. He doesn't see me at all. Oh my god, that lotus though. Me being distracted. How do I get distracted 101? But this is Sea Ops tactics, guys. Let me see if you can. Oh, yeah, you can do this. Okay. I didn't know I don't jump on them. Okay. Well, that's my fault. Run away, run away.
Oh shit.
Video equals ending soon where I die. Okay, I'm dead. Video ends now. In 3, 2, 1.